Hey, what's up YouTube? I'm the smartphone guy coming back at you with another video, and tonight I'm excited to bring to you an unboxing of the phone that I think is probably the best dollar for dollar phone that you can get right now for Android users. So I have right here the Xiaomi Mi A1. This is the special edition red version, which is the reason why I'm unboxing it, because I've already done a number of reviews for this device, also comparing it to a number of phones as well. So I'll leave links down for those videos below. The second phone that I think is probably the best dollar for dollar phone is this one right here, the OnePlus 5T. But tonight is all dedicated to this one right here, the Xiaomi Mi A1. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox it, and then I'm going to talk about why I think this phone is probably the best dollar for dollar phone you can get right now. So first of all, you can pick it up right now on gearbest.com and another number of other places for just over $200. So I think this one was $210. This is the 4 gig of RAM, 64 gigs of onboard storage version of the device. They do also have it in 32 gigs, slightly cheaper. I think that was right around $205. So this is the global edition, so it will work around the world, and it does work in the US, especially for T-Mobile, because it has band 4. Now it doesn't have band 12 or 17, so if you live in a more rural area with T-Mobile, you may not get the best service, but I happen to live in an area where band 4 works really well. So here is the device, and oh my gosh. Yeah, okay, so I saw a post by a good friend of mine, Grant S, on Twitter, and the post was "Red is the new black," and yeah, this is a beauty of a phone. So wow. I thought the Mi A1 was a nice phone before, but in red it is a beautiful phone. So I wasn't really expecting to think all that much of it, honestly. I just thought I really like the Mi A1, I want it in red. Cool, but wow, this looks really nice. So this is an all-metal build, so that's one thing I would say is a great thing about the phone. Let's see what all you get in the box. So there is a screen protector in the box. You also get a little microfiber cloth. I'm guessing that's to help you with the screen protector. I'm gonna set that down to the bottom, and let's see what we get in here. So we get a European version of the charger. So this is a quick charger, so 2.0 or 2.2 amp quick charger. We also get our Type-C cable. So that's one thing I really like about this phone, is that it does come with Type-C. Now unfortunately it doesn't come with a case, so I did just unbox the Redmi Note 5, and I really like that one, sorry, Redmi 5 Plus, and that one did come with a case, so I kind of wish that this one would have. But yeah, so anyways, let me go ahead and talk about what makes this thing so great. So it does have a 1080p display. It's IPS LCD. I'm not going to turn it on right now. You've probably seen other videos where people show you the display, but it is a nice looking display, 1080p. Obviously it's not 2K, but we're only talking about a $200 phone here. In terms of performance, we have the Snapdragon 625 processor, which is a very efficient processor, so it's good for things like gaming. Obviously not the highest end graphic gaming, but just about any games that you want to play on an Android device will work fairly well on this with very minimal frame rate drops. Social media, which is probably what most of you are doing on your phones, making phone calls, text messages, and working on social media, works great for that. I've never had issues with the Mi A1 in terms of performance. It does come with 4 gigs of RAM, so that is great. In terms of the cameras, we have dual 12 megapixel cameras on the rear, and they actually are very good cameras. And I've done a number of reviews on the cameras as well, so check that out in my previous videos. I'll leave a link down in the description. In terms of battery life, this phone is absolutely fantastic. So in general, on the previous Mi A1 that I owned, I was getting about 6 to 7 hours of screen on time, and some days I could even get 8 hours of screen on time, which is great. Easily get me through a day. So battery life is also very, very good. Now in terms of software, that is another area where this thing obviously shines. Because it's an Android One device, it's going to get regular software updates. So I'm going to go ahead and turn this one on, and as soon as I do, I'm actually going to get an Android Oreo update, because I know that Oreo has been out for the Mi A1 for about a month now. So That is also very cool. So the Mi A1 is definitely a phone I would recommend anyone checking out, especially if you're looking for a great budget phone. If you're just looking for dollar for dollar, the best phone on the market, I would argue that the Mi A1 probably is that device, or this one right here, the OnePlus 5T, which is also available in red now as well. So now that I see this phone in red, I think I might get this phone in red as well. I don't know. I'm thinking about it now. I wasn't going to, but now that I see how beautiful this phone looks in red, it's a nice metal build. This one basically has the same build, but nicer internals. I might do it. So anyways, let me know what you guys think. Should I go get the OnePlus 5T in red? I think I might now. But anyways, thanks for watching. I hope this video has been helpful for you, and I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.